Deep within the Earth, it's incredibly hot, like 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 5,137 Celsius at its center. The pressure there is incredibly strong, much more than what we feel on the surface. This makes it impossible for people to go very deep inside the Earth. However, we have learned some things about the Earth's insides. For instance, scientists found out that the core of the Earth is made up of a solid ball of iron and nickel, which is about 20% of the Earth's size, and it's surrounded by a layer of melted iron and nickel that's about 15% of the Earth's size. We learned all this indirectly, though. We couldn't just go down there and see it for ourselves. Instead, scientists studied things like the Earth's magnetic field and how earthquake waves behave to figure this out. But there are limits to what we can learn this way. So, how can scientists find out more about what's deep inside our planet? Some scientists believe the best way to do this is by looking at outer space. NASA, the space agency, has a robotic mission planned to a unique metal world called Psyche. This mission is set to launch on October 5, 2023. The spacecraft heading there and the world it will explore are both named Psyche. Asteroids are small objects in space, some as small cities and others as big as small countries. They are leftover pieces from the early and violent days of our solar system when planets were forming. Most asteroids are made of rocks, ice, or a mix of both. However, about 20% of them are made of metal, just like the Earth's core. It's possible that these metal asteroids are parts of the cores of ancient planets that got torn apart by cosmic collisions long ago. By studying these metal asteroids, scientists might be able to learn directly what a planet's core is like. Psyche is the largest known metal asteroid. It was discovered in 1852 and looks like a squashed sphere. It orbits between Mars and Jupiter in a region called the asteroid belt. You can see Psyche with a telescope, but it looks like a tiny point of light. NASA approved a mission to Psyche in early 2017, and it's worth around $1 billion. The spacecraft won't land on Psyche. Instead, it will orbit the asteroid from a distance, moving closer over time. It will spend 26 months studying the asteroid's geology, shape, gravity, and magnetic field. Scientists will also compare its composition to what we know about Earth's core. The journey to Psyche is long, covering about 2.5 billion miles, that is 4 billion kilometers, and taking nearly 6 years. During the trip, scientists on Earth will stay in touch with the spacecraft using NASA's Deep Space Network, which uses large radio antennas. Even if we discover that Psyche is not an ancient planetary core, this mission will still greatly expand our understanding of the solar system and how planets come into existence. After all, Psyche is a world unlike any that humans have ever visited. So, while we might not be able to travel to the Earth's core just yet, missions like Psyche's can help us unlock the secrets hidden deep inside planets, including our own. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you are interested in more content like this, please consider subscribing to Explore. These videos might catch your interest. I highly suggest that you watch them.